It's amazing that more companies aren't building middleweight ADV machines. Currently, only Triumph and BMW F800 GS have completely modern versions in their lineups. Bigger is not always better, especially off the beaten path. Triumph's Tiger 800 XC has impressed us over the years, especially with its street chops that helped it win a 10 Best award in 2011. Any complaints with the smaller Tiger have focused on the bike's off-road abilities. But as an adventure tourer used primarily on the street, the Tiger is awesome. Even so, the ADV class has been maturing at a quick clip lately, as KTM and BMW have pushed the technological boundaries with advanced traction control enabled by ride-by-wire throttle control and the latest ABS. These bikes are significantly better than they were just a couple of years ago, and Triumph was beginning to fall behind. Now, though, for 2015, Triumph's 4 Tiger 800 models have made up some serious ground on their Austrian and German competition. The lineup begins with a pair of cast-wheel, road-oriented models dubbed 800XR and the higher-end 800XRX. The more off-highway friendly wire-spoke wheels XC will also be available as the feature-packed XCX model. We'll focus on the XC models here. Both the XC and XCX include switchable ABS and traction control as standard. On the base XC, the rider is able to switch both of these functions off. On the more feature-laden X model, there are multiple options. Traction control can be set to road, off-road or off, and the 4 available throttle maps include rain, road, sport, and off-road. Further, 3 riding modes can be selected. The first, called Road Setting, automatically sets ABS, TC, and the throttle maps to a default road setting. The off-road setting switches the same 3 parameters to an ideal off-road mode, while a third customizable mode allows the rider to make personal selections. Triumph makes it easy for the rider to switch modes when riding on frequently changing surfaces. All X models also have standard cruise control. As for features, the XC is fitted with the aforementioned wire wheels, 17 inches rear, 21 inches front, a high-level front fender, fully adjustable WP suspension front and rear show on the XR, a trip computer, radiator guard, sump guard, hazard lights, adjustable levers, and a 12-volt power socket. The XCX adds engine protection bars, an advanced trip computer, road and off-road riding modes, auto-cancel indicators, cruise control, center stand, handguards, aluminum sump guard, and a second 12-volt power socket. At the International Press introduction in Marbella, Spain, the first thing I did on the 2015 Tiger 800 XCX was head for some dirt roads to get a quick taste of the new electronics package and its functionality. I immediately noticed the improved fueling of the ride-by-wire throttle. On our brief dirt road foray, I toggled the bike between the default off-road setting and a rider mode that I set up with 0 TC intervention, off-road ABS, and sport throttle setting. For pure entertainment, my custom setting was awesome. It allowed me to hang the rear end out aggressively, but the off-road setting allowed a decent amount of rear wheel slip as well. Despite not having lean angle sensitive TC/ABS a la KTM, the Tiger does a good job of managing traction, both on the gas and on the brakes. The off-road ABS allows the rear wheel to be locked completely for better control in the dirt, while allowing effective braking from the front without locking up or extending stopping distance dramatically. I wouldn't go so far as to say it's on the same level as BMW's or KTM's Bosch ABS systems, but it's a big improvement. On road, I was very impressed with the fueling. The throttle never felt overly sensitive, and the on/off throttle transitions were very smooth mid-corner, helping to keep the Tiger settled. Also, the gearbox shifted more smoothly than on the last Tiger 800 I rode. Power output remains the same as before. To maintain European tiered licensing compliance it must have less than 95 horsepower, but we've never complained about the torque-rich delivery or awesome exhaust wail. And Triumph tells us that modifications to the tractable 3-cylinder engine have improved fuel efficiency by 17%, which means range from the 5.0-gallon tank has been extended by around 50 miles. The Tiger 800 has always been an excellent middleweight adventure bike, as long as you stuck to the pavement. But the new electronics package has dramatically upped the XC's DUR game without stealing any of the sporting chops the bike has always had.